This is the worked examples video for wave speed. By the end, you'll be able to do 3 things. First, use wave speed equals frequency times wavelength. Second, rearrange it to find frequency or wavelength. And third, use period equals 1 over frequency. Here's the equation. Wave speed v equals frequency, f, times wavelength. It fits a triangle with v on top, f, and the wavelength underneath. Cover the one you want. Cover v and you get f times wavelength. Cover f and you get v divided by wavelength. Cover the wavelength and you get v divided by f. Let's find a wave speed. A wave has a frequency of 50 Hz and a wavelength of 0.2 meters. Write the equation. Speed equals frequency times wavelength. Substitute 50 times 0.2. That gives 10 meters per second. Now a rearrangement. Sound travels at 340 meters per second and a note has a frequency of 170 Hz. Find its wavelength. Cover the wavelength in the triangle. It equals v divided by f. Substitute 340 divided by 170. That's 2 meters. Higher pitched notes have shorter wavelengths. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A wave has a f, fast 25 Hz, and wavelength 4 ms. Find its speed. Question 2. A 15 ms wave has wavelength 3 ms. Find its frequency. Question 3. A wave has frequency 4 Hz. Find its period. Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1. 100 ms, v shear f x wavelength, shear 25 x4. Number 2. 5 Hz, f shear v shear wavelength, shear 15 3. Number 3. 0.25 s t shear 1 f shear c1 c4. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.